soft PVC. Heavy-duty scrap plastic granulator crusher machine. Heavy-duty scrap plastic granulator crusher machine is suited for central reclamation of solid materials, thick bulky parts, heavy wool fittings, thick plugins, blocks, rods, high-impact applications, haystack film, built fiber, thick sheet, cast blocks, engineering plastics, and tire redan. At the core of our plastic granulator machine is an open rotor mounted, with heavy-duty knives in either a double scissor cut or V-shaped reed based on your requirements. As the rotor is spun at high speeds, the rotor knives come in contact with stationary knives that are mounted within the cutting chamber. The material is continuously cut until they are small enough to pass through a screen filter. Generally speaking, our filter screens are between 10 mm to 100 mm. They can be customized according to your requirements.